In today's technology-driven landscape, the role of a DevOps engineer has emerged as a cornerstone of IT operations. Imagine a world where applications run seamlessly, websites are responsive, and cloud services are always available. DevOps engineers are the key players who ensure this vision becomes reality. With a potent blend of skills in automation, cloud computing, and problem-solving, these professionals are highly sought after in the tech industry. If you're intrigued by how technology works behind the scenes, this could be your ideal career path. The journey to becoming a DevOps engineer begins with a solid foundation in IT. Envision the matrix of computer networks where data flows and systems communicate. Understanding operating systems like Linux is step one. This powerful OS underlies many servers. Acquiring skills in basic programming and databases sets the stage. Aspiring DevOps engineers often start in IT support or system administration, unlocking the mysteries of how systems interact and function effectively. Once you grasp the basics, delve into programming and scripting, vital tools for automation. Picture scripts written in languages like Python, Bash, or PowerShell that weave together intricate tasks, liberating engineers from repetitive manual work. This automation prowess not only enhances efficiency, but also helps companies save countless hours. Next, mastering Linux is essential. The command line becomes a canvas where you sculpt server management skills, installing software, handling permissions, and troubleshooting like a maestro conducting an orchestra of technology. Understanding cloud computing paints the future of your DevOps career. Picture a cloud bursting with digital services provided by giants like AWS or Azure. Familiarize yourself with virtual machines, networking, and cloud security. Then, embrace CI/CD methodologies, where continuous integration and deployment become your daily bread, ensuring rapid and error-free software release. Containers and Kubernetes add another dimension, allowing for scalable application management across varying environments. Real projects are your canvas for creativity and skill. Build cloud-based systems, automate deployments, craft monitoring solutions, and invoke CI/CD pipelines to see your ideas come to life. Coupling projects with certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect or Certified Kubernetes Administrator can fortify your expertise. Finally, as you step into the job market by applying for roles such as Junior DevOps Engineer or Systems Administrator, your well-curated GitHub portfolio and LinkedIn profile will make you shine. Embrace the journey, savor the process, and watch as you transform into a skilled DevOps engineer, ready to tackle the challenges of the tech world.